My viewers and subscribers, welcome to Newsflash, where we update you only with the latest news. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave with us your comment, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be updated and YouTube can recommend us to many more. Thank you. Now the news in details.
The man who was gunned down along Kent Avenue in St. James on Tuesday has been identified. He is 39-year-old taxi operator Marvin Christie, otherwise called Bolo, of Crawford Street in Mount Salem. Reports on the Barnett Street Police are that about 12:30 a.m., Christie and another man were sitting on a wall along the popular tourist Ip Strip when he was ambushed and shot by men traveling in a motor car. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Christie was found lying in a pool of blood with multiple gunshot wounds. The scene was processed, and he was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A farmer was charged after he reportedly broke into a shop and attacked another man with a machete before escaping with over 16,000 worth of goods in Warminster. A farmer was charged after he reportedly broke into a shop and attacked another man with a machete before escaping with over 16,000 worth of goods in St. Elizabeth on May 24th. Charged with shop breaking and larceny, assaulted common law, and unlawful wounding is 40-year-old Extol Grady, otherwise called Ranger. Reports from the St. Elizabeth police are that a woman securely locked her shop and left. She received a call about 4 a.m. that her shop was being broken into. She reportedly went to the location accompanied by a man when they were attacked by Grady, who was armed with a machete. A struggle ensued, during which the man was injured. Grady was also injured, but managed to escape with a bag containing 16,000 worth of groceries and items of clothing. Following intense investigation, Grady was arrested at home on Tuesday, July 4th, and subsequently charged.